Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the job safe and repeatable. Disconnect the negative battery and wait 10 minutes to de-energize airbags. Next, you gather Torx, Phillips, a 10 mm socket, ratchet, trim tools, and a magnetic parts tray. Remove lower kick panels and center console trim to expose dash fasteners. Keep screws labeled by zone. Once done, photograph each removal step so you can reverse the process later. Make sure to keep small clips in a tray to avoid losing them. You now move into the complex center. Unscrew the instrument cluster, remove vents and HVAC ducts to reveal core mounting points. Carefully unplug and label every electrical connector, controls, airbag harnesses, illumination, so reassembly is straightforward. Use a floor jack with a piece of plywood to support the dash assembly and relieve weight from the main bolts. Once supported, remove the 4 primary mounting bolts and lower the dash slowly. Cables and clips may still hold it, so pause and verify nothing is snagged before fully extracting the assembly. You finish by lifting the dashboard clear and placing it on a padded workbench, keeping fasteners grouped by location. During reinstallation, reverse your labeled steps. Reconnect harnesses, seat clips, torque main bolts to factory specs, then reconnect the battery. Once connected, cycle ignition and confirm gauges, HVAC, and SRS lights. If something fails, first recheck battery and ground connections, then reseat any airbag or instrument cluster connectors. Intermittent faults usually come from a loose pin or an overlooked ground. Test drive to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.